In the video tutorial, this time, I'm going to address how to widening columns, but it automatically, not manual. Usually, we widen column in Excel. For example, I type it like this. Want to widen his column, then I pull it like this. Or I pull it to the left to shrink it. That done manually. How to be automatic. For example, if I shrink it like this, the writing cannot be seen. But when I type, he should automatically width of the column. The way is pretty easy. The guys just right-click in the section Active Sheet. I right-click, then I select View Code. This one. Well, next I'm gonna replace this general. Be a worksheet. Will appear like this. Well, here. Between private ... and sub. I did that. The script is like this. This is the script. Then just close. Click. Cross these little. This is the close window. Well, like that. We close ya. Well, he went back to his Excel. Well, automatically right. If I shrink it like this, then I type, for example, name. Me enter, then she automatic wide like this. He will adjust to the text, so the column, for example. I want to enter. Well, automatically it column widens according to the text. That's how you make automation for column widening. Hopefully tutorial this is useful. Thank you.